So good day, sir. Here is my reflection on the socio-political and economic conditions of the Philippines during the 19th century. So in the time of Rizal, the Philippines was controlled by Spain and the social and political systems were very unfair. So the Spaniards and the friars had the most power that time while many Filipinos had limited rights. So because of this, abuses became common and the government rarely listened to the people. So Filipinos also faced many serious problems. So they were forced to pay high taxes, work under forced labor, and follow rules that only benefited the colonizers. So education was also limited, and most Filipinos did not have access to good schools. So economically, many families lived in poverty because the system favored the Spaniards' official and landlords. So this condition shaped the lives of Filipinos in many ways. The unfair treatment made them more aware of the need for change. So it helped build a stronger sense of identity and push people like Rizal to speak up and fight for reforms through peaceful means. So their struggles became the foundation of our nationalism today. So for me, understanding these challenges helps me appreciate the courage of our heroes. It reminds me that awareness and unity are important if we want a better society. Thank you.